Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. I'm gonna cook chicken adobo for today. I saute the garlic and onion and then saute the chicken. So the langsa and the chicken remove. The only chicken we have in the fridge. We don't have stock in the fridge because I won't be able to go grocery for how many days? Thursday or Friday? I think Friday. Okay, this is my chicken adobo. I need to saute the chicken until it will fry it a little bit before I put the soy and the vinegar in a little water. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, heart, like, comment, subscribe. Of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. This is only how many chicken. Maybe later I'm gonna go to the grocery for the what I need to cook tomorrow. Tomorrow has class already, the student. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a family day. We will be together with the family. I need to put the village for my adobo and whole black pepper. Anyway, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, click a comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much.